Hey there, my name's Nader from Nadernejad Media, and today we're going to be talking about removing negative Google links. And okay, this is a very loaded topic, but I've been doing this for years, and you might have negative links ranking on Google because either you've done something bad or somebody is slandering you and you don't know how to get it off. You may have been calling companies. You probably found this either because you're subscribed or because you were searching about how to remove Google links. I feel you. I understand. This video isn't a silly video where I'm just going to pretend to throw knowledge at you. We are going to help you. And at Nadernejad Media, we help you unlock your unique potential to dominate the media again. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Basically, if you want to remove a negative Google link, I always start and tell people like a bit of background on how to do it, but I'm just going to tell you immediately. There are two things. When you have a negative Google link ranking at the top of Google, it's because it has high page or domain authority. Don't understand? I'll break it down. Every single website has page authority and domain authority. So Global News has domain authority of about 94, give or take 2 or 3 points. It goes up to 100, I believe. So your website called bobcraigsfunblog.com probably has a domain ranking of 6. That's why when you do something bad, I don't know, you speed on the highway drunk and it gets in the news, or you throw a crab apple at an old lady and it goes in the news or something, and a big news agency picks it up, you're pretty much screwed because there's a domain authority of 94. Now, reputation management companies, when you call them and you say, oh God, I need you to help me, please remove that link, are going to charge you an arm and a leg because they know you're desperate and they know that you want to get that removed. So you'll pay anything. And you are always going to ask them, can you guarantee this? Can you guarantee this? Can you guarantee this? That's what everyone does. No, nobody can guarantee it. No one knows. Okay, no one can guarantee that that link gets pushed away unless they're very powerful. Unless they, dominate the media, which is why we think media domination is so important. We're not just about marketing. It's really how you take control of your reputation and get what you want in the marketplace. But off of that topic, in order to remove that Google link, you need to find websites with a higher domain or page authority. First of all, go on Google, type in domain authority checker or page authority checker, or check domain authority for free. Click around on some links. There are free ones out there. You just plug the link in, it tells you the domain authority, the whois, like where they got the site from, the domain provider, all that good stuff. So go ahead, find the domain authority of the link that you want to outrank. That's kind of like sussing up your opponent before a fight. You look at that link and you say, okay, it has a domain ranking of 96. Wow. It's still going to cost you a lot of money to outrank that link. Don't get me wrong. Best thing to do is to call them, apologize, see if you can scoot around it and get them to remove it. If you can't, you're going to have to spend money. Get ready to spend money. Otherwise, deal with it, leave it on the internet, or save and then spend the money. So once you've geared up this link and you know kind of what you're dealing with, going to be very simple. You need to purchase articles. You need to purchase articles from websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, or reach out to bloggers. So you need to compile a spreadsheet or a list of potential blogs that you can buy sponsored posts on that they promise they'll last forever to outrank those negative links. Because what you want to do is find, let's say, nancysblog.com, which I don't know what that is, but let's say it has a domain ranking of 99. Fantastic. You need to write an SEO optimized article. If your name's ranking on Google for the bad term, write your name like 20 times in that article, but don't spam it. Write a real contextual story with real content. So write like, for example, if I was slandered in the media, Nadernejad opens media company and helps people around the world. Nadernejad started with his media company when he was 15 years old, and he decided that he would grow it to help people around the world dominate the media. Enter. Next line. Nadernejad says he's happy and positive, optimistic about the future, and can't wait to change people's lives. Fantastic. Now what you're going to do is pay that person $20, $30, $50, whatever they charge, send them the article, have them post it. Within weeks or months, eventually you'll notice the top link starts going down. That's how it works. So really, reputation management companies will charge you a lot of money because, hey, it's justified. This takes a lot of work. It's very professional. They're probably not buying these links from cheap places. You may be having to spend $5,000 a month because they have to spend $2,000 a month on you to actually get those posts out. So it's justified. And you know what? I've just given you exactly what you need to do to go and do the legwork. If you don't have the money to do it, but you want to fix your reputation, go ahead and do it. You don't have to pay me or my guys. You don't have to pay my team. You go out there, you do it yourself. You fix your own reputation. If you want someone to take care of it, you want somebody to actually, you just want to go to work and not have to worry about that stuff, you can always hire us. Nadernejadmedia.com in the description, but that's really not what I'm trying to do here. I just really want to give people the information and the knowledge to arm themselves against, negative media coverage, and I want people to be able to take control of their lives. I mean, if something bad happens, sure. I just don't think it should taint people forever. I don't think, if somebody does something, massively horrible, that's not getting off the internet, so no point trying, unless you dominate the media, like I said. If you own all the news agencies, then... But that ruins a whole bunch of things like democracy and free speech, and that's not what we're into here when we say dominate the media. So if you're interested in dominating the media, be sure to subscribe, ask us any questions in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to help. Take care.